Hi, I'm Sue from Quilter's Paradise. I'm here with my granddaughters. This is Delaney and this is Kimberly, and we're having Grandma Day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making these placemats. Now, the fabric line that we're using is Lollipop Garden by Moda. You guys picked this out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get sewing. We want to show you the tools that we're going to be using. One of the things here is we call this the CutRite HandiGuide tool. And what you do is you put your fabric through so it's wrong side face up, right side face down. And we also make this batting roll. It's 1.25 inches, and it goes through this little slot, and it allows us to keep everything all lined up. Now, you remember how we were doing it at the machine. Can you show them how to pull this down? You pull, there you go, and then what do? You fold it together. And you fold them together, and then you continue sewing. Okay, we're going to now make a jelly roll tube, okay? And how we're going to do that is we're going to use this tool. We put the fabric wrong side up with the batting, and what do we have to do? We have to fold it in on that side, fold the other side, and then fold them together. Right? There you go. Perfect. The starting's always the tough. There you go. Put it in. Okay. Do a little sewing first, because you got to get the needle in. Go ahead. So Delaney, we're going to be sewing your placemats together, right? Mm-hmm. And what we've done is we've already made these two tubes and we want to put them together, okay?
Okay.
So we set up our sewing machine to do a zigzag stitch, okay? You put those underneath. That's it. Let's get our foot down. Okay? Now, wait a minute, I gotta make sure it's in the right place. Okay, we're good now. So it's gonna go from here to here, okay? So go ahead. Wait, we want it as wide as possible.
Okay. Ready?
Try again. There we go. And you just keep them together. Okay, make sure.
I'll keep them together.
There you go. Yeah, we got some extra strings, don't we? Thread gets in the way.
Hi. Me and my sister made these, and they're placemats for our dinner party that we're having. I will be showing you where they all go. This one goes right here. This one goes right there. And this one goes right here. And this one goes right there. And now we are going to get the forks and spoons and knives ready. And that is done. Now you have a perfect dinner party.
Hi, it's Sue, Delaney, and Kimberly again, and we're finished. Did we enjoy our day today?
Yes.
Okay. This is Sue from Quilter's Paradise. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And thank you for enjoying us today.